How to access or switch to slide sorter view in PowerPoint.
Hello, and welcome to our new tutorial. Today, we're going to explore Microsoft PowerPoint and, specifically, we'll learn how to access or switch to slide sorter view. This feature is very useful when it comes to organizing your slides and getting a broad view of your entire presentation.
What is slide sorter view?
Before we get into the how, let's briefly understand what slide sorter view is. It is a feature in PowerPoint that displays all your slides in a grid. This view is especially useful when you want to reorder your slides, apply transitions, or get a general overview of your presentation.
How to access slide sorter view.
Now let's get into the meat of the matter. How do we access this view? It's pretty straightforward. 1. Open your PowerPoint presentation. 2. Look at the bottom right of the screen. You'll find the View icons. 3. Among these icons, click on the one that looks like 4 small squares. That's the slide sorter view icon. 4. And there you go. Your presentation should now be in the slide sorter view. If you prefer to use the main menu, 1. Go to the View tab in the top menu. 2. Then, in the Presentation Views section, click on Slide Sorter.
How to switch back from slide sorter view.
If you want to switch back to the regular view, you can do so easily. 1. Go to the bottom right of your screen again. 2. Click on the Normal View icon, the one that looks like a single square with a line at the bottom. 3. Your presentation should now be back in the normal view. Again, if you prefer the main menu, 1. Go to the View tab. 2. Click on Normal in the Presentation Views section. And that's it. You now know how to switch to and from the slide sorter view in PowerPoint. It's a nifty tool that can help you greatly in organizing and overviewing your presentations. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Remember to keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.